Hello everyone, Jai Ganesh. Today we are going to see how the market has performed yesterday and how it can perform today. Before starting it, we will see which are the trending stocks or cryptos: ATL, IOU, SOL, Layer Zero. Mm, Decent, but there are many much in negatives. No worries, we will go through it. But let's go to the Bitcoin perpetual first. We will see that what is happening. There are many of the things. Let me clear it. Okay, so you know that we have discussed something yesterday. If you're not seen the yesterday's video, I think you should see it. Near this point, green candle. I have said that market will go up till here, and your SL should be near this area. This much should be your SL, and this much should be your target. Okay, so if you are not seen, just go once and see it. It was uploaded near 12 a.m. Hmm. And after that, there were two spikes also, but it will do correction somewhat. Correction means you see here it is support and here it is resistance. Sorry, here. So what you will do, you might not see in the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 15 minute, you will see here that there is a spike. It has consolidated here, it has taken a range here, then it has gone up, and it is taking the support at the same area. See here it is taking support, and again it is trying to come back in the same area until and unless it does not fails to support from here and comes down. It will be a sign that market is going to be in the bear side. Okay, so until and unless it is not going down this area, it is bull market and it has the potential to reach this area. Yes, I am sure that it can reach at this area because you see there is a sharp downfall here, very sharp downfall. Okay, and the problem is not the sharp downfall. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. The market is having a big support, big, very big support. The first time it is taking support at this area. See, before that, the support was not there. Sorry, the support was not there. It was here. So it is also a strong support, but this is the first time support it is taking. And you know what will happen here? Here it will perform a W pattern. And you can also see the short W pattern here if it touches at this point and go up. Okay, so we can say the market is in trending, but will take a short break. It is okay. It will do something like this. Yeah, but I think it will follow the trend. It won't go down until and unless it goes down from here, this position, because this is a strong support. But with it, there is also one thing I want to say, that we are seeing 1 hour time frame. If we see in 1 day time frame, it is consolidating at the highest part, its highest part. Okay, so if it tries to go beyond this point, it will be a big opportunity upside, a very big opportunity for the Bitcoin traders, because it can go up to 1,25,000, 1,50,000. The limit is not set in the Bitcoin, right? So it can, how much upside it can want. Not only in the daily time frame, we can also see the 1 week time frame. See, 1 week time frame is very accurate. What you can see here is it has started from here 2024. It has given a range at this side, broke the upside, it has given range again, and is breaking and supporting at this level, and it might go up. Okay, so in every aspect we can say that this is the bull opportunity. The bulls are entering into the market. If the market want to fall, then this was the best choice for the market to fall, because it was bearish engulfing, and 3 to 4 red candles can, like this, can make him downfall from here to here. But the market is not falling. Market is consolidating at a one point. It is consolidating at a one point where it was consolidating before 3 to 4 months. It was consolidating at the same area, and it has come again at that point. So we can see that if the market is going out of this range from the upside, the market has a very big opportunity. If the market goes down from this range, it has very big opportunity for selling side, and this will act as a strong support, and then the next support will come to this. But I don't think the market will come down, because if it has to come down, it has come fast, because selling is fast, and going on the buying side is very slow. The sell is a panic selling, so it comes very fast. In 15 minutes time frame, you will see that, see, the selling is sharp, it is coming, then it will go fast, fast, fast. But if buying is coming, it is going very slow. It gets supports, it again falls down somewhat, and it goes up. Here also you can see that this was a buying is very fast and slowing. Buying is, sorry, the buying is very slowly. See, it has very red candles between it, green, again red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. And but you see here the falling is red, big red candle, two green, big red candle, green, 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 red, 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 red. Till here it are reds. So if you see buy, you have to definitely go for the buying perspective, because market is slowly going up. Yeah, this was all the Bitcoin perpetual I want to say. And yes, see, at this point, you know what is happening. This is a hammer candle. Hammer candle, it is performed where? At this point. This is support for the area. And if this candle, the green candle which is ongoing now, and it completes its uh, closes itself beyond the high spike of the red candle, the market will bull at this point only. At this point, it will bull from here to here. I am sure of that. If this green candle closes beyond 10 lakh 46, oh, 1 lakh 40 469 4696. Yeah, if this closes beyond this point, market is sure to go up. Okay, so this was the analysis, technical analysis from the my side. Let's see what happens. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. And yes, it is the very big sign if the candle, this candle closes like this. It will be a big opportunity for the upside. On the basis of this candle, we can take the reward till here. At least it is the what I can say. The first target should be here, and the stop loss should be this. Okay, so how much we can say that's as a long position we take from this point. Risk reward almost goes to 1 is to 3 point something, more than 1 is to 3. And yesterday I have told that if the market goes from this position, just a second, yeah, in 1 hour time frame, I think I have told, maybe mm, in 1 hour time frame, I have told that if you take this green candle closes and the next green candle appears, you can take the stop loss till here, and your target should be this much, at least this high. It goes is to 1 is to 4. Yeah, see, we can do money management at this task by putting the less amount of money, and our risk reward also increases with this, right? If you are doing 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, then it's better to have less money, because we are getting 4x of the loss we are making. So if we do a 3 loss and 1 profit, we have net to net 0, because we are planning the trades which are more than 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. Okay, so this was the thing from the my side. Yes, I will not remove this thing. If this candle closes beyond this, yeah, it has closed beyond this, it will close, means 8 minutes are still left, then there is a possibility of it can reach here. Let's see in the next part what will happen. Till then, goodbye, have a great day. Don't panic sell, don't panic buy. Just watch the charts and understand what they are trying to say. Thank you, goodbye, Jai Ganesh.